not be good at making YouTube videos yet, but I sure can put down a pretty clean cut. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Ben, the Lawn Guardian. I wanted to start this channel off with its first educational video that's really basic, and two basic things that I think, or not two, but really simple and basic things that I think we need to do in order just to have a healthy and vigorously growing lawn. Sometimes we can get so wrapped up in all the fertilizers and Ben, what are you doing this to get it growing, you know, this way? And really, if we're getting good irrigation habits and good mowing habits, the lawn is going to look a lot better all by itself. And then when we fertilize and do all those other things, that's just going to enhance those good practices we're already doing. So first thing is mowing habits. We want to be mowing frequently, so we're only cutting about 1/3 of that grass length off at a time. And then we want to be making sure we're mowing with a very sharp blade. If you're not sure, look at the tips of the grass after you mow, and if they're brown with a really shredded look to it, there's a good chance your blade's dull, so you need to get that sharpened. The next thing is really is getting good irrigation habits. We want to get down about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of water down each week. That can be from Mother Nature, or it can be from your sprinkler system. Whatever you guys are doing to get water down, we just need a good deep watering, not frequent watering. We want very infrequent and deep watering. We actually want that lawn to kind of dry out in between waterings. So like I said, 1 to 1.5 inches of water each week on your lawn. So going over those again: mowing and irrigation habits. We want to be mowing only 1/3 of the grass length off at a time. We want to be mowing with a sharp blade, and we want to be watering about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of water each week. I'll be making more videos in the future that kind of go in more details of each one of those things and why it's important. But I just wanted to put this quick video out to get people started. People that are just getting started with their lawn, they want to make it look better. These are 3 things that I think that can change your lawn drastically if you're doing those things properly. So with that being said, hope you guys are having a great week. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright guys, it's time to get to work. Thanks for watching. But before you get to work, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment, and then get to dominating your neighbors.